Parcel 2, Morgan Sindall are going to be here doing a repairs fair. And it's the first time they've ever done this thing around here that you can come and you can log your compared claims with them. And what we've got Citizens Advice Bureau here as well to watch what's going on. I've got you here eventually. I knew there'd be a way. I remember you telling me you had other things to do on Tuesday. They want to work with us. They come down here. What's happening is people are having a lot of difficulties logging their repairs online. They're having difficulties of getting through on the phone with all Morgan Sindall, and they're having difficulties in seeing the progress from logging the repairs to having the repairs actually done. So today what we thought we'd do is we thought we'd bridge that gap, and we bring Morgan Sindall and the council and Citizens Advice Bureau into one room so our beneficiaries could come and log their complaints directly with them, so they wouldn't have to come to us and for us to be the middle person in helping them to do that. Your lady has logged it with Morgan Sindall.
My lady?
Valentina. Valentina. I've just got my key people. Valentina. That's fine, because what I did is I've got a photo of the house owner with me and Morgan Sindall. So now Daisy can have a lovely, lovely catalogue of all these things, and hopefully we won't have to go to Nexus Chambers.
$10.
What is it?
I've ordered it on Friday.